Alright guys, so before I put the door panel back on, I just want to show you the installation we did. Using all the rice parts, we got the spacers for the truck. We mounted our crossover. We put some dynamite so it won't be rattling or bouncing all over the place. We did our nice wiring. We ran our wire nice and clean. Very clean, very professional. The last thing we gotta do, well, let me show you guys the box. This is the box here. Goes behind the seat. Gonna do a couple of little final steps, and then I gotta mount this little puppy here. We put the cover on still, so it won't have no issues with any major like noise. So that looks beautiful and it sounds good. I'm gonna do a last video so that I won't get copyright. Right now I just want to show you guys the work. The tweeter mounted perfectly on there. The only speaker we didn't replace was that dash, but there's no need for that. Sounds good.